Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you how to delay send a text message. Say for instance, you want to send a message to somebody and they get off at 6 o'clock and it's 2 o'clock. So you want the message to be delayed send. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You know, they have the daily, they have a weekly, and they have a monthly. I wish they had a yearly to where you can just set it to go off or send a message to them every year, maybe at 12 o'clock midnight on their birthday. They feel pretty good. They think they're very special, but they don't have the yearly thing. So I'm going to show you how to do a daily, and I'm going to show you how to delay send it. We're going to send the message, and I'm going to show you what kind of notifications you get. And it's real simple to do. The first thing what you want to do is get on your phone. This is an iPhone. I think it's an iPhone 13, but we're going to scroll down and you're going to find this app here to the left. It says shortcuts. So you click on it, and what you want to do is say create personal animation. I'm going to try to slow this down. And there at the top where you see time of day, you want to click on that. Once you click on the time of day, you know you have these different options. Say right here you got daily check, then you can do weekly. Say you only wanted to send it on the weekdays. So you uncheck Sunday and Saturday. So it's going to go send the message Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Say you want to send it once a month. You want to send it to yourself to remind you of some kind of appointment or something like that. You can put it on that day. Say for instance, you want to do a monthly. You can start this and go all the way to 2024. And it'll send you a text message in 2024 reminding you of something. So we're going to do a little daily one first. So right now it's 6:24. So we're going to delay send this to about 6:26. Yeah, let's do 6:26. And we're going to click off and we're going to hit next. And we're going to hit send message right here. Click on the send message. And the message is going to say, we're going to say, how are you doing? So we'll send this message. And then with the recipient, we're going to click on it. I'm going to send it to myself. And I'm going to hit done. So now what you want to do is go to next at the top. And right here at the bottom where it says ask before running. No, you don't want it to ask you before running. You want to make this automated. So you want to hit don't ask. But I'm going to turn on my notification. I want it to notify me when it sends this message. So I'm going to hit done. So this message is going to be sent in 1 more minute. So you can just go ahead and go about your business. You see it's 6:25. At 6:26, I'm going to get a text message. You see I don't have the message right now, but I'll be getting a text message here in a few more seconds. And a good thing about this, you might be playing golf or pickleball or something, and you want to send your wife a text message at maybe 7 o'clock, and you'll be swinging, and the phone will automatically send that message. Just let them know, hey, I'll be home in a few minutes. So at 7:26, let's go and look at the messages. You see right there where it says, how are you? It sent that message at 6:26. That's all to it. So it's going to do this daily. So if you don't want it to do that daily, we'll go back and we'll slide down and go to our shortcuts, and you can go ahead and delete that. Just swap and hit delete. And that's it. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. If you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm going to leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store, and I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm going to leave a drop down, or it's in the description, or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.